So hello everyone, welcome to a new video tutorial. In this case, I'm going to teach you how to change a photo uploading to Midjourney. This is really simple to do, so let's begin. First, we have to get the URL of the photo. That is really simple. We just have to go to Google, and right here we have to select, for example, this image. So we just put it right here, as you can see, and here is gonna appear the URL. So we copy the URL, we go back to the Discord of Midjourney. You have to be subscribed, by the way. If you're not subscribed, you can't do this. So here you just have to put slash, you put imagine, and here we have to put the prompt. This could be anything that you want to change on the image. So for example, we can put natural lighting, for example, photorealistic. We can put uplight, we can put natural lens, and so once we have the prompt, we just copy the URL that we copied before of the image, and here pay attention, you have to put enter and slash, and here you have to put EW. This EW means image weight, so this is arranged between 0.5 and 2.0. So for example, this means how much weight you have in the image and what's the difference between the AI generated and the real image. So for example, I'm going to put 2.0, and as you can see, the image is going to be pretty accurate to the realistic and first image that we put in. So as you can see, I can do it because I have to subscribe, but you have to know that you just have to put EW and 2.0, and as you can see, it's gonna be feeding you with all these images that you're seeing right here. It's really simple to do, so thank you very much for watching this video. Please comment, like, and subscribe if you like.